Hi everyone. Today in this video we are going to discuss about Claude Desktop versus Claude Code. If you have used Claude, you have probably run into two names that sound similar but do very different jobs. Claude Desktop and Claude Code. So which one should you actually be using? Let's break it down. Claude Desktop. Claude Desktop is Anthropic's native application for Mac, Windows, and Linux. Think of it as the hub. Inside it, you get three things. One is chat. It is same as you open Claude.ai and start chatting. You do via browser. Now you will be able to do via desktop. Second, Cowork, which lets you hand off multi-step work like organizing files or writing a report and let Claude run with it. And local file access so Claude can actually read, edit, and create files in the folder you choose to share. In short, if your work involves everyday task, research, or document, this is your starting point. Next, you will get Claude Code inside Claude Desktop as well. So everything is inside one application, whether you would like to do chat, whether you would like to do multitasking like a cowork, or you would like to do the coding. So Claude Code is here with Claude Desktop. What is Claude Code? Claude Code, on the other hand, is built specifically for developers. It reads and writes code across a whole code base, run commands and test, and keep iterating until things actually pass. And here's the flexible part. You are not logged into one place. You can use it in terminal, inside VS Code or JetBrains, or right inside the code tab in Claude Desktop, which means there are multiple ways to use Claude Code. If you have a Claude Desktop, you don't need separate Claude Code. You can still use Claude Code inside your Claude Desktop. Inside Claude Desktop, here what looks like in practice. So you hand Claude a task like organize, might download and summarize this report. You might have one sales Excel sheet and it's a very messy, but you can say, okay, I'm giving you this sales action sheet, which is on my laptop. Can you summarize it? Can you tell me how many leads I have from LinkedIn, from emails, from WhatsApp, and so on and so forth, and then give me a report for the same. In Cowork mode, Claude scans your file, shows them, draft the summary, and hands you a finished deliverable. While staying inside the folder you gave it access to, nothing outside that folder gets touched. Inside Claude Code, if you're using Claude Code, now flip over to the Claude Code inside your desktop app. Here, you are giving it an engineering task, say fixing a failing test. Maybe you are giving a code and saying, hey, this is where the code is failing. Can you give me a fix? It reads the relevant files, find the bug, edit the code, and rerun the test, and reports back once everything passes. It is the same agent under the hood, just pointed at your code base instead of your instead of your file system. Let's discuss a comparison side by side. Let's put them next to each other. Claude Desktop is for anyone, while Claude Code is built for engineers, or I can say developers. Desktop gives you the full experience. It has all the available options. Chat like you do via Claude.ai. Cowork for multi-step work, one objective. Code tab, you have a Claude Code inside Claude Desktop, and you can connect your MCP server as well with Claude Desktop, like GitHub MCP server, OIC MCP server, ServiceNow MCP server. So you can connect all those MCP server with desktop and let desktop work, connect your MCP server and get the things done. Claude Code. Claude Code lives in the terminal, an IDE, or the same code tab. Desktop app is best for your conversations, research, files, and documents. Code is best for writing, debugging, and shipping. Desktop works with the same within the files and folder you share, while code can work across your full repository with Git and cell access. Plot twist, they are not separate. Here's the twist. These are not two actual separate products. Claude Code lives inside Claude Desktop Code tab. So if you install Claude Desktop, you are not choosing between chat, Cowork, and code. You get all three sharing the same files and context in one app. Which one is right for you? So bottom line, if you work is files, research or documents, go with Claude Desktop. If you're writing or shipping code, Claude Code is your tool. And if you need both, just download Claude Desktop. Everything's already there. If this helped clear things up, drop a like and let me know in the comment which one you will be using. That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.